A Saudi groom has divorced his bride on their wedding night after seeing her face for the first time when the photographer asked them to pose for pictures. The couple, from the western Saudi town of Medina, had agreed to marry each other despite having not met face to face, a popular custom in certain Middle Eastern countries. But when the bride removed her veil and smiled for the camera, her new husband leapt to his feet in disgust. "You are not the girl I want to marry," he declared. "You are not the one I had imagined. I am sorry, but I divorce you." According to local daily Okaz, the bride immediately collapsed in a fit of tears as panicked wedding guests stepped in to try to resolve the dispute. But their efforts were to no avail. The groom said he had not been able to see his bride's face before marriage. News of the jilting was met with anger on social media. Afar wrote on one social media network, "He caused her great pain through his irresponsible attitude, and he deserves to suffer. He should appreciate that beauty is in the character, not the face." Unfortunately, many young people today are interested only in looks and ignore values and morals.